Hi, my name is Nova, and I'm going to explain to you how to use the Equito Finance platform. To obtain Algorand Testnet tokens, copy your Algorand Testnet wallet address, visit the website equitofinance.com. In the top right of the website, select Launch App. In the bottom corner of the page, click Get Your Testnet Algo. A new tab will open. Solve the reCAPTCHA to verify that you are a human and enter your Testnet wallet address in the box labeled Algorand Account. After this, click Dispense. The page will load and display a transaction ID at the bottom of the page to show that the process was successful and that the Algorand Testnet tokens have been deposited in your Testnet wallet. To obtain Ethereum Testnet tokens, copy your Ethereum Testnet wallet address. In the bottom corner of the page, click Get Your Testnet Ethereum, and a new tab will open. Enter your MetaMask Testnet wallet address in the space provided to receive 0.1 Rinkeby ETH. Then click Send Me ETH. You can receive up to 0.1 Rinkeby ETH if you sign up on Alchemy by clicking the sign up link on the page before clicking Send Me ETH. The Rinkeby ETH automatically gets sent directly to the Testnet wallet address you provided in the space provided for your wallet address. The next step is to connect both our Algorand and Ethereum Testnet wallets to the user interface on Equito Finance. To connect the Algorand Testnet wallet, select Swap. In the top right corner, click Connect Wallet. Select what Algorand wallet you will be using. For this guide, we are using the Algo Signer wallet. Once your option is selected, click Connect Wallet. Follow the prompt and choose the wallet containing the Testnet Algo. Then choose the option to opt in. Sign the transaction when prompted to by entering your password. The process of opting in may take a few minutes. Don't be alarmed. You will then receive a message that you have successfully opted in your wallet. To connect the MetaMask Testnet wallet, in the top right of the website, select Ethereum and select Connect Wallet. Choose what wallet you desire to use. For this instructional guide, we will select MetaMask. Select Connect Wallet and follow the prompt displayed afterwards. MetaMask prompts you to verify if you trust the website trying to connect to your account on MetaMask. Click Next, then click Connect when prompted. This connects your MetaMask to Equito Finance. Now you can use the features available on Equito Finance. For this instructional guide, we will use an Algo to USDC conversion to describe the process of carrying out a swap. In the top right corner, select Algorand to access your Testnet tokens stored in your Testnet wallet. Select Swap on the left side of the page to indicate to the DApp what you wish to do. In the converter, select Algo and then click on Select a Token to select USDC as the token you are trying to convert to the Algo to. You will be prompted to opt in your account to the Testnet USDC. Select Opt-in at the bottom of the page and sign the transaction by entering your password to complete the process of opting in. Now enter the amount of Algo you desire to swap into the converter and it will automatically calculate how much USDC you receive. Select Swap and sign the transaction by entering your wallet password to complete the process of swapping from Algo to USDC. You will be notified that your swap is successful. To provide liquidity, choose the pool you desire to add the liquidity to. For this instructional guide, I will describe how to add liquidity to the USDC Algo pool. Once you decide what trading pair you desire to add liquidity to, click on the round purple icon in front of the pair to add liquidity. For this guide case, we chose the USDC Algo pool. Select Opt-in and sign the transaction. Enter the value of Algo you desire to add to the liquidity pool, and the converter will automatically calculate the value of the USDC required. Select Add and sign the transaction to complete the process of adding liquidity. To remove liquidity, click on Manage. Select Liquidity to show that you wish to remove the liquidity you provided previously. Select what amount of liquidity you desire to remove. 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. Click on Remove. You will get a notification of the success of your transaction. To bridge Ethereum to Algorand, on the top right corner select Equito Finance Bridge. Please note that you will need to have both your Algorand Testnet wallet and Ethereum Testnet wallet still connected to Equito Finance. Click the tab Use Bridge. Once the connected wallets are displayed, for example, MetaMask and AlgoSigner, select Bridge Wallet. Follow the prompt to Select Asset. Specify the amount of Rinkeby ETH you wish to bridge over to the Algorand blockchain. In our case, we decided to bridge 1 Rinkeby ETH. Select Bridge Asset. You receive a prompt from MetaMask asking you to confirm or reject the transaction. Select Confirm. You will be notified that your transaction is successful. You have successfully converted your Rinkeby ETH to EWETH, hereby bridging from the Ethereum network to the Algorand network. To convert Equito wrapped Ethereum, EWETH, back to ETH. To unwrap your EWETH, click on the recycle icon on the page. Enter the amount of EWETH you wish to unwrap and select Bridge Asset. Your Algorand wallet, in our case we are using AlgoSigner wallet for this guide, will prompt you to sign the transaction by entering your password. After signing the transaction, you will receive a notification that you used the bridge successfully. The Testnet network is an alternative blockchain used specifically for testing. Testnet coins are distinct from actual coins, coins on the mainnet. Mainnet tokens, actual coins, have real-world values, but testnet coins do not. It is always advisable to use a separate account for testnets. This is because if tokens on the mainnet are sent to the testnet wallets, they will be lost forever. If you decide to use the same wallet for both, always ensure to switch back to the mainnet network when done.